Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video in our channel, and this video is going to be especially regarding Accenture. So in this video we're going to see the detailed procedure and steps of Accenture hiring method. Okay, from start to beginning, what are the mails you are going to receive from Accenture, what are the multiple steps you have to follow, and till the final interview update we are going to see everything. First, we are going to start with the application. So after application in Accenture, you are going to receive either a mail or a WhatsApp message. Also, if you have opted for WhatsApp, then they will send you WhatsApp messages also from Accenture that your application is confirmed, but your application is received, like that. Okay, so they will confirm that you have applied and your application is done and it is under process, like that. Whenever you apply, this is going to be the first thing that you are going to receive. After that, the next stages happen or start. So in between they keep sending multiple mails. Okay, so I'm going to only talk about the mails mandatorily everyone receives, but there might be some people who will receive any other mails as well, or some advertisement mails, or give a detailed roadmap or something like that what they have received recently. So these type of multiple mails may come or may not come, but I'm going to only discuss about the mails that everyone is going to receive, that is mandatory mails. So let's start, but before moving on, if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding, interview and industry updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out. So first of all, as you all know that recently Accenture hirings are going on. Okay, so they are sending slot booking mails and all, and their exams are also going on and all. Okay, so this is happening for some candidates who applied many months ago, but many people who have applied for Accenture, they are waiting for their slot booking mails, or applying or exams or anything. Okay, so they should listen to this video carefully, because these steps are going to be very important for them. So the next thing you are going to receive is going to receive the slot booking mails, and these slot booking mails comes in multiple phases. Okay, they do not send everyone at the same time, this happens in small phases. Okay, so might this time there was like 3 or 4 dates, but for each day there was like three slots. Okay, so you can understand like there were 9 to 12 slots, like that. So many people applied for those and chose their slots respectively. Okay, and whenever they send the slot booking mails, try to book your slot as soon as possible, because if the slots get filled, then you have to choose some other slot, you will might not get your preferred slot, like that. Okay, and after the slot booking, there is going to be your first round exam. The first round exam, first of all, there is going to be both aptitude and technical questions. Okay, cognitive questions, technical questions, all mixed will be there. 90 questions, 90 minutes time. That mail you are going to receive, but before that mail you are going to receive another mail for your mock assessment and checking if your system is compatible or not. Those mail you are going to receive in a single mail. You have to check your you have to install the exam browser and then give the mock assessment, check your system compatibility. Okay, only after that you can go and give the actual exam. Then actual exam, there will be cognitive and whatever I have said earlier, that exam is going to happen. And after completing that exam, within 5 to 10 minutes you are going to receive the results, and your coding assessment is going to start. So do not move away from your laptop after completing the first round of exam, because within 5 to 10 minutes the second round, that is the coding round assessment, that starts, and they get the results. If you clear the first round, you are going to get the coding assessment links and all. You are going to start the coding assessment. After completing that, within few days, okay, that will not happen on the same day, within few days, like 7 to 10 days, you can expect that your communication assessment mail is going to come. And in communication assessment, there is going to be detailed, I am going to make a detailed video about the communication assessment, what is the process, what are the multiple questions you received, these type of things. But that is the mail and the WhatsApp messages also simultaneously you are going to receive for communication assessment. And if you complete the communication assessment, after that you are going to receive interview mails. Okay, if you clear the communication assessment, you are going to receive interview mails, and you have to go for the interview. So that is the detailed procedure of the Accenture. I have already posted multiple videos regarding Accenture exam patterns and detailed syllabus and all, so you can go and check those videos. And also for communication assessment, I'm going to post a detailed video by tomorrow, so you can make sure to check that communication assessment detailed video if you have cleared the coding round. So that's it. If you have any other queries, you can also comment down or ask us in our Telegram and WhatsApp channel.